You're all packed. Snacks? Check. Playlist? Check. But just an hour into your road trip, boom. The car breaks down on the side of nowhere. No cell service, no help coming. Want to avoid this nightmare? Then don't skip this checklist. It could save your whole trip. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 10 must-do checks before any road trip. Some take 60 seconds, some are free, but all of them could save you time, money, and maybe your safety. Whether you're driving cross-country or just a few hours out, this is what every driver needs to know. 1. Engine oil and coolant levels. Engine oil is your car's blood. Without enough, your engine could overheat or seize up. Pull the dipstick, wipe it, reinsert, and check the level and color. If it's dark, thick, or low, change it before your trip. And don't forget the coolant, especially in summer. Low coolant equals fast overheating. Check the reservoir. It should be between the MN and max lines. 2. Tire pressure, tread and spare. Underinflated tires waste fuel and overheat fast, a common cause of blowouts. Use a tire pressure gauge and compare with the number inside your door jamb. Don't eyeball it, use the tool. Also check tread depth with a coin or gauge. If it's worn, it's dangerous. And yes, check the spare tire. A flat spare is useless in an emergency. 3. Battery health and connections. A weak battery might still start your car today, but give up tomorrow, especially after long drives or overnight stops. Use a multimeter. 12.6 volts when off, 13.7 to 14.7 when running. Clean the terminals. White powder equals corrosion. If your battery's over 3 years old, consider replacing it before your trip. 4. Brake system, feel, sound, and fluid. Brakes shouldn't squeal or grind. If your car pulls to one side or vibrates when stopping, that's a red flag. Pop the hood and check brake fluid level 2. It should be clear, not dark. Brake failure on a mountain road, that's a horror movie, not a vacation. 5. All lights and signals 1. Broken taillight can get you pulled over. Worse, someone might not see you. Check headlights, high beams, brake lights, reverse lights, and turn signals. Walk around the car or ask a friend to help. Bring a couple of spare bulbs. They're cheap and easy to swap. 6. Wipers, washer fluid, and visibility. If it rains, you need to see. If it's dusty or buggy, same story. Replace streaky or squeaky wipers. And don't forget washer fluid. It's not just for city driving. Long trips equals bugs, dirt, and mess. 7. Emergency kit and essentials breakdowns still happen, even with prep. That's why your emergency kit matters. Jumper cables, flashlight, first aid, gloves, water, snacks, phone charger. Add a multi-tool, duct tape, and even a reflective vest. Pro tip, a tire inflator or portable jump starter can be a trip saver. 8. Plan your route and fuel stops. Don't rely only on GPS. What if there's no signal? Download offline maps. Know where the gas stations are, especially in rural areas, and never let your tank drop below 1/4 on unfamiliar routes. 9. AC and heating system. AC not working in summer equals misery. Test it before your trip. It should cool quickly. If it doesn't, might be low refrigerant or a clogged cabin filter. Going into cold areas? Make sure the heater works too. 10. Weight balance and trunk organization. Overloading your car can stress the suspension, tires, and brakes. Keep heavy items low and centered, ideally over the rear axle, and tie things down. Loose gear in the trunk becomes dangerous in a crash. And that's it. 10 simple steps that take less than an hour, but could save you days of trouble and hundreds in repairs. Road trips should be about freedom, fun, and adventure, not frustration on the shoulder of the highway. Got your own tip or a road trip horror story? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Smash that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more real-world car hacks